बिकॉज ऑफ कॉलिंग एटेन्शनाचे उलयता आसतना पयलीं सद्या आमी जाणात 2016 एक व्हडली मिस्टेक केला गोवा गव्हर्मेंट ह्यो आमच्यो सोयी न्हंयो नॅशनलायज केल्यात आनी तितून आमचे रिवर्स चालूय केल्या एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसली कांय जो लोक डिपेंडंट आहा त्यो न्हंय भायर दवरपाक जशें केरला गव्हर्मेंटान केलें ते भाशेन तेमकां जाय त्यो न्हंय तेमी भायर धरली पूण आमकां आख्खी रिवर्स चाल पासून ती घातली हजारांनी लोक ते रिवर्स चालाचेर डिपेंडंट आसलो जेन्ना 2011 प्लॅन आतां कोता
2011 जे आसा पळयता ना सांगता तुका हांव ब्रिज घालून सांगता ना एक मिनिट ऑनरेबल मेंबर 1 मिनिट ऑनरेबल मेंबर
लोक रस्त्यार येयलो
Honorable member, you don't know. 1 minute, I'll just tell you. 2011 plan should have been done before 2011 because 2011 plan was not done in 2011. It was done in 2019.
2011 finalized कोता आसतना गांव मिटींग केल्यो एका लागून कोविड टायमाचेर लोक
एक मिनिट ओके सांगू शकता
कोविड टायमार
क्रूज एक मिनिट ऑनरेबल मेंबर की सांगू शकता
I would like to inform you and request you to withdraw your statement where you say that we lost all our rivers. It was during the tenure of late Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar that this agreement was signed with Government of India, wherein all the 6 rivers of Goa were removed from that nationalization clause.
No.
Let me speak.
No.
Let me speak. Don't.
Because,
you don't interrupt me. I did not interrupt you.
एक मिनिट let him finish.
Please, let me speak. Again, in 2024, with the support of Dr. Pramod Sawant, I have got these 6 rivers. Again, Government of Goa has been given full authority along these 6 rivers. We signed the agreement somewhere in 2025. I remember we went to Assam and we signed this agreement.
So,
if you want, I am no longer minister, so I can't place the
because
I will request the CM, our Honorable Chief Minister, to place this copy on the table of the.
आता MLA Alex म्हणून सोदता रिवर डिनॅशनलायज जाल्यो जाल्यार पेव आमकां दाखय
How many points are there? Who is?
ह्यो डिनॅशनलायज जाल्यार आमकां दाखय पेपर
One person. Opposition leader. Opposition leader.
जाल्यार आमकां दाखय
Engineer Cruz, 1 minute. Let me clarify.
Kalus Bab, point of order. Kalus Bab, sir.
I am on my point of order.
Record with me.
because
I have the record with me.
डिनॅशनलायज जाल्यो
I have the record with, please understand,
Yuri.
I have the record with me
let
when
me
Honorable
speak.
then CM Manohar Parrikar said, we will not allow these central agencies, you should throw them out.
Yeah.
But when Parsekar came as CM, he said this is a federal system and he allowed this without even a resolution of the House.
because
So I've got the cabinet notes, I'll give you the file notings.
because
I'll give you the MOU copy, which already the honorable member is telling you.
Wait, after this what you have, wait 1 minute.
He
1
said in
minute.
2017.
Under the Act, Inland Waterways Authority Act, there's a schedule. You have to amend the schedule and remove the 6 rivers because the 6 rivers are
Create
notified.
separately the MOU. Honorable Speaker, sir, I'll submit that MOU. I had already asked my.
MOU will be to allow us to
It is
control,
with the Government of India only.
but not removing it.
Government of India to MOU, sir.
Nationalized. I will place those two.
because
We'll please then you discuss. Cruz, you finished? Cruz, Bab, you finished? Bus. Cruz.
ते सांगता ह्यो नॅशनलायज जाल्ले त्यो डिनॅशनलायज जावपाक जाता आमच्या विजयान सांगले ते भाशेन कित्याक आतां थंय फाटीं जेन्ना 2019 कोवीड जाल्ले जेन्ना सोगटे टारवटी बा गोंय येयल्ले आख्खे आमचे टारवट बेकार आहले ते आमचे रिवर्स सालाचेर जियेताले ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 वर्सां आतां सेम सिट्युएशन आयलो आहा आतां गल्फा वॉर जाला पोते ते येतले ह्यो रिवर आमकां तेंका सांबाळपाक जाय एक कोण नुस्त्या मारता तेंका सांबाळपाक जाय कितले एटलिस्ट तेजेर डिपेंडंट तेंचे कितें पोट भरतले ते सो हांव म्हाका ते डिनॅशनलायज जावच्यो म्हाका दिसता ज्यो आतां सांगलो ते भाशेन आमकां क्वेश्चन केले आन्सर दिल्ले आहाय आमी ज्यो आमकां प्रपोजल येयल्ली आमी कांयच दिना आमी सरेंडर केल्ल्यो त्यो 6 रिवर्स सो आम्हाला आता 2011 लोकांनी बोवाड मारून कोविड टायमाचेर पासून हियरिंग आयले लोक आणि ते पोर्ट लिमिट काढलो सो हांकां पोत्तो आता सीएमान इन्शुरन्स दिला पोर्ट लिमिट काट तो काडचो म्हण मागता आणि ह्यो रिवर जी आमची रिवर चल्ला ती डिनॅशनलायज करची
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर